Hope you're all having a great day. I'm going to be going over another day trading recap with you all. And I do want to apologize for the late videos. I know we've been releasing them very late now, but me and my brother have just been very busy throughout the day, so we can't get them filmed until nighttime. And I was just trying to film it right now, but it is 10:11 right now, and I think around 10 o'clock, it resets your P&L kind of for the day, and it just took away my position, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys them, but I do have a picture of them on my phone from a recording. One of them I was just doing now. I was able to take a picture of it, and I'm gonna pull it up now so I can review the trades. But basically today was another red day, unfortunately. I only traded one stock though. It was ticker symbol LIXT, and my orders are still gonna pop up so I can show you guys that. But I was down on the day, $72.64, if I remember right. It's just not going to show you right there. But I did take three red trades, unfortunately, all with my initial position size of $500. I gave it the 5% wiggle room, right around $25, and they all went south. So I lost right around $25 on each, and I'll go through my thought process for you and what I could have done better. So this was the only stock I liked this morning as a momentum stock. I looked at the scanner like I always showed you guys, and it was the only one I liked that I thought could really go on the day. Because right around market open, it was trading around the price point 270, right around here. And I viewed potential for it to break these resistance areas right here it's had in the past and really go ballistic like it did. It ended up having like a 65% push. And I did not get to take part in any of that, unfortunately. So where I went wrong was, if I can zoom in for you guys, the stock right around market open started creeping up, and I got an alert when it pushed above the middle VWAP, but I didn't send it at this area because stocks generally tend to come around this area and get rejected right when they push above and kind of sell back off. So I wanted confirmation that it was going to push up and like it did and really start going, and I usually like to take this trade. I'll wait for it to pop up, and I want to see it drop back down to a support level so I can get in and start riding it up. Because one thing I noticed off the bat was the stock was very volatile. It moves a lot. So a ticker like this candle right here, the drop right here was already like a 7% drop, and that's more than the 5% I like to give it. So I wasn't comfortable just getting in anywhere. It had to be closer to the support level around the EMA line, this blue line right here. And the stock had a big flush up around a 20% push from middle top VWAP. It got halted, meaning it pushed up so fast the stock actually stopped trading for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it continued, and right when it continued it just shot straight up another 30%. And as you can see, it never approached the EMA line, which is when I like to get in, and that's kind of where my problem happened today. I really try to wait too long for it to push the support when I continually saw it. If you can see here, try and find a support just not near this area and keep going, which I should have been more aware of. As you can see here, the stock fell, kind of tried going and came back down, but not, it didn't go lower than where it did here, and it just tried going up like that. So my first trade, I tried kind of getting into that process, but by then it was too late. The stock pushed up a lot. I tried getting in here for another support up on these levels, and I got flushed out. And right when I got flushed out, I did something I probably shouldn't have done, but I bought right back in around these levels right here because I thought since it fell so hard, right when I got stopped out, it would be a good entry again because of this kind of support area. But it's not a good idea to do that typically because it was a big drop. It was around a 10% drop. And a candle like that will usually cause more red to come after because everyone's just panic selling. So that was my two losses. I was down around $50, and then I ended up taking one more similar trade around these areas, and unfortunately got flushed out. The stock just ended up dying kind of on the day. So what I did wrong today, and that I definitely should have been more aware of, is knowing the stock is super volatile and didn't want to kind of come around these areas. I could have gotten with half the amount that I usually do. So instead of the $500, I could have gotten with like $250. and I could have given it double the wiggle room and risked around 10% and really let it go and average up once I saw higher highs. So let's say right around these areas, it pushed up, came all the way up, and came around here, and I try to find a support. If I got in around $250, I could risk around a 10% push, and that would be more realistic, right? That would flush me out right around here at around the lows it had here. And that's just a better area to have a stop than the areas I did where a 5% flush with this type of volatility, it just doesn't make sense. A little candle, a little drop can wipe you out. So I should have done my part in realizing I should have just gone in with half the amount and got more wiggle room from that. So yeah, that's just been another day trading recap. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the review of the stocks, I hope you can like and subscribe and check out our Instagram. We post there every day. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.